Tapping into a mobile device's camera opens up a world of possibilities for Thunkable creators. In this tutorial, we'll build an app that takes a photo with the device's camera. Drag and drop an image component onto the screen. This will act as a picture frame to display the photo the user takes with the camera. Resize and reposition it within the screen as you'd like, and select the most appropriate image resize mode, which dictates how the image is displayed or resized within the image component. We'll opt for Contain so the image is resized to fit entirely within the image component without distorting it. Now let's rename the image. And we want to add a button to the screen that users will use to open the camera app on their device. We already have one on the screen that we'll use copy and paste keyboard shortcuts to duplicate, but you can also drag a button component from the component library. Resize and reposition it within the screen as you'd like, indicate to the user what the button will do, and rename the button. Drag and drop a label component onto the screen. If there is an error, we'll use this to display the error message. Rename it. We'll also change the label's default visibility setting to invisible. We'll use the blocks to make the label visible in the event of an error. Now we need to add the functionality to the app. Click blocks in the upper left or press the T key on your keyboard. Remember, the behavior we want to build is, when the user clicks the button, the device's camera app opens so the user can take a photo, and then the photo is displayed in the image component. Click the button name in the component tree. Drag the When Button Take Photo click block, and drag it into the workspace. Click Camera under App Features and drag the Photo from Camera block into the workspace. Right-click on the block, select Show Advanced Block, and connect it to the button click block. The advanced version of the Photo from Camera block has 3 outputs: Photo, Was Cancelled, and Error. Photo is the photo taken by the device's camera. Was Cancelled indicates when the camera was closed without taking a photo, and Error signals when an error occurred. Click Control, drag the If-Do-Else block, and nest it within the Photo block. Drag the Error output block and place it next to If. Click the error label in the component tree, drag the Set Label Photo Errors Visibility to block, and drop it next to Do. Use the drop-down menu to select True. Copy and paste this block and nest it below. Use the drop-down menu to change the property to the Photo Error Label's text. Drag the Error output block and replace the pink label block. Now click the image in the component tree. Drag the Set Images Picture to block, and drop it next to Else. The Photo from Camera block activates the device's camera and takes a photo, so we could simply drag the photo output to complete this block combination. But because we want to save the employee's photo for an extended period, we need to upload it to Cloudinary, a service that allows you to store media files in the cloud. If you use Thunkable's default Cloudinary database, your files will be deleted after 90 days, so we recommend connecting your project to your own Cloudinary account to keep your media safe. To upload the photo taken by the device to Cloudinary, click Files. Drag the URL from Uploaded File block and drop it next to the Set Images Picture to block. Nest the photo block within the File Upload block. We can test it using the web preview, but it's best to test on your device because the app accesses the device's camera. Click the Take Photo button. You may need to authorize the app to access your device's camera. Take the photo. Great. We've successfully built an app that takes a photo with the device's camera. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other tutorials and Thunkable Academy courses. And remember, innovation should have no limits.